Our research topic is on news media and bias of crime. The news channels we're observing are CNN and Fox News. We're going to observe these by going on to each individual one's websites, and we're going to watch clips of what they're doing and stuff based on the crimes, and we're going to reflect back on them.
Our codebook categories are network, themes of news story, time frame, frequency of appearance of minority. There's more on the next slide, but we'll get to that. The networks were, as Jordan stated, are CNN and Fox News, and we're going to see how their political views differ on a specific story, and also how minorities are represented in that specific story. So we're going to see we're going to calculate the frequency of appearances. We're doing time frames so we can have a limited sample, and the themes of the news stories are kind of important because we're just trying to see exactly how they're going to be represented in this sample. So the rest of it is race of offender, gender of offenders, race of victims, gender of victims, types of crime. So we just want to narrow it down, see if there's a trend here that we can find, and see if gender or any other kind of outcome will affect the types of crime.
Alright. Our individual contribution is I will be finding out which articles we're going to be focusing on that have news stories in CNN and Fox News. And I'm going to be watching Fox News and taking notes on their videos and having something to go off of to compare it to the CNN one. And then I'm also going to outline the information that will be going into SPSS. Julia is going to be setting up SPSS and putting in all of the appropriate information. And then she'll be watching CNN and taking notes on those, and inputting the information into SPSS.
So our hypothesis that we came up with together is that each news station will present the selected articles according to their individual political beliefs, and that's our basis for it, and then we're gonna go off political beliefs and see how those political beliefs affect how minorities are represented in the news, or how genders are represented in certain news stories, and if their representation of violent crimes changes.
Alright, so our research process is going to be on how CNN and Fox News, based on their relatively different political beliefs, affect how they show their crime and relate it back to minorities. So we're excited to see what we find.